How to delete address from Waze. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete address from Waze. So let's say you've set a home address, you've set a work address, you've set your office address, and you want to delete those addresses from the Waze app. It's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first launch the Waze app on your phone. Once you launch the Waze app, currently I have added my home address, and if I want to delete the home address, first of all what I have to do is from the bottom left you can see the button that says My Waze. So just tap on the My Waze button, and here you will see this pop-up. Over here you can see the home button at the very top, and if I want to delete this address, I just have to tap on the three dots next to this specific address, and once I do so, at the bottom you can see multiple options. I can send this location, I can edit the home, I can add some information, but to remove it, just tap on the button that says remove from the bottom right, and right over here you can see our home address has been successfully deleted. You can also delete other addresses if you want from Waze, and that's all it takes to delete address from Waze. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.